Thank you for choosing the Ranger RML-1500XL Motorcycle and ATV Lift. In this video, we will show you the proper way to set up your lift. Start by gathering all included extension pieces and laying them out. You'll be using the front extension, both side extensions, connecting rods, wheel vise, and the hardware packs. The first step is to slide the front extension into place over the front of the lift platform. Next, insert the 3 connecting rods through the holes in the side of the platform, 2 at the front and 1 at the rear. This will also secure the front extension. Now slide one of the side extensions over the connecting rods, making sure that there is at least an inch of connecting rod sticking out past the extension. With the extension in place, locate the 6 lock bolts and cotter pins from the hardware pack and attach the first 3 to the connecting rods on the side of the installed extension. Repeat this process for the opposite side. The next step is to assemble the ramp. Screw one stability rod into each of the 2 main ramp pieces. Once the stability rod is in place, it may be positioned on the ramp end of the lift. Make sure the ramp pieces are properly fitted to the placement holes on the base. Now install the wheel vise and wheel stop to the front extension. To do so, use the included hardware pack to locate the necessary bolts for installation. 10 bolts, flat washers, split lock washers, and nuts. Using these bolts, secure the bolted clamp arm with 6 bolts and the handle assembly with the remaining 4. Next, use 4 bolts to secure the movable clamp arm to the handle assembly. Now the tire stop can be put in place using another 2 bolts from the hardware pack. Finally, the tie-down rings and low-profile motorcycle ramp may be installed if needed. You are now ready to use your RML-1500XL Lift. Make sure to refer to your owner's manual for complete instructions, parts list, and to review maintenance and troubleshooting guides. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe to the BendPak YouTube channel for more setup, how-to, and new product release videos.